launch videos, even when they show spacecraft up at orbital altitude, don't show stars. Either they don't show the sky at all, or if they do, the sky is just black. So here's a video that shows stars along with auroras, a few satellites, and then a few meteors. This was taken from the space station, the International Space Station, 2024, January 17th. It was taken with a Nikon D5. It consists actually of about 1,600 separate exposures, time exposures with the Nikon, and it effectively gives you a speeded up time-lapse. Notice that the stars may appear to go down into the Earth. That's not the Earth. The outer perimeter that you're seeing is the atmosphere. And of course, on the surface of the Earth or above it are lightning flashes, quite a few of them.